Ray. What do you want to do tonight?
Same thing we do every night, Pinky. Try to take over the world.
Okay, so oftentimes people say, Justin, for years I've been visualizing, and for years I've been doing my affirmations, and nothing has happened. So my question to them usually is, have you tried taking any action? See, the double A's changed my life. The double A's made me a millionaire. The double A's has brought me financial success, a life of my choosing, and multiple streams of income. What are the double A's? The double A's are action and affirmations. When I combine action and affirmations, magic happens. You can take action all you want, but if you don't truly believe you can have it, you can actually start to self-sabotage your success. Also, affirmations. You can affirm all you want, but if you aren't walking towards what you want, you'll never have it. See, when you take action towards what you want meets you right in the middle. You attract it because you're walking towards it. You must walk towards it. Actions and affirmations. So for me, anytime I feel doubt or fear regarding a business move or a situation, I'm constantly walking towards what I want, all the while reciting my affirmations. I can do this. I am this. I am magnificent. I am brave. I am successful. Everything I touch turns to gold. Everything always works out for me. See, I am constantly reaffirming what I am and what I want to my subconscious mind, all the while taking action to make sure it happens. The double A's will change your life. Actions and affirmations. Every single day, every single morning, you affirm what you want. You feel what you want. You start to visualize what you want, all the while taking action. I guarantee you, if you incorporate the double A's in your life, everything you want will be drawn to you. You will attain and attract everything you desire. You must make a habit of incorporating the double A's, action and affirmations. And before you know it, every single thing that you visualized, every single thing that you asked God for, everything that you asked the universe for, you will have manifested. And you will say, wow, life is good and it's only getting better. This is Justin from YouAreCreators. Be on the lookout for YouAreCreators TV. On that platform, I will have premium content where I discuss the law of attraction, financial success, manifesting abundance, relationships, affirmations, and also affirmation downloads. So therefore you can reprogram your subconscious mind on your time. Remember, YouAreCreators TV is coming soon. This is Justin, and we support your dreams.